My name is Tarik Ximinies HVFC Football Club.
All right, so Tarik, what is it like, to play in a stadium with fans? The government relaxing the curfew rules, and Desmond McKenzie, giving the okay for fans to be in the stadium.
Well, I think it's a great feeling for playing in front of fans again. It's a great feeling, Such a long time being without them. But this it's a great feeling.
What do you think about your performance, or coming on the second half? Putting a good shift. What's the feeling of your performance?
Well, it's good. I could do better, The chances.
Okay, so what do you think about your future? Where do you think you could go with your career?
Well, where I think I could go, where I want to go is the highest point. Where I think I.
You don't think you're going to go there?
I want to go to the
You want the highest point. And I also think that you can make it your a gem. For me, you're a gem, and I think sky is the limit for you once you're managed properly and stuff like that. So, thank you for your interview, and I hope you achieve all those stuff in your career.
Thanks.